What if I told you Toyota's success is untold about making cars, it's about a system almost no one fully understands? In this video, you will learn the Toyota way, the philosophy that made Toyota the most efficient and profitable car company in the world, and how you can apply it to your life or business today. Okay, let's start with a quick story. Toyota was founded in 1937 and started as a small car manufacturer in Japan. But somehow, they completely revolutionized manufacturing. Today, they're known for 3 game-changing systems: Kaizen, just-in-time production, and lean principles. And all of these are part of what's called the Toyota way. Now here's the thing. The Toyota way isn't just some random business strategy. It's a deep philosophy that guides their entire organization. It's all about working smarter, not harder. It's about eliminating waste and constantly improving. Basically, it's a simple system that anyone can use to get extraordinary results. So here's the Toyota way broken down in 5 key principles. Principle No. 1. Continuous improvement. The Japanese call this concept Kaizen, which roughly translates to change for the better. This is the idea that no matter how good you are or how perfect something seems, there's always room for improvement. Every day, every process, every product can be a little better than it is right now. At Toyota, continuous improvement isn't just a buzzword, it's a way of life. They set ambitious targets and then obsess over hitting them. For example, they might aim to reduce waste by 1% each month. And it might seem like a small improvement, but over time, these small changes add up to massive results. Now here's your challenge. What's one small change you can make today to improve your work or life? Principle number 2, respect for people. This principle is all about empowering employees and encouraging teamwork. Toyota believes that every worker has something valuable to contribute, and that a company is only as strong as its people. So they foster an environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing ideas and working together to achieve common goals. Here's how you can apply this. How can you empower someone today to unlock better results? Principle 3, just-in-time production. This is another famous Toyota system that helps them produce cars efficiently and cut costs. Just time means producing only what is needed when it's needed. By constantly fine-tuning their production process, Toyota ensures they don't have any excess inventory or wasted resources. Here's the takeaway. Where can you remove waste from your own workflow or life? Principle No, for quality built in. The Japanese call this Jidoka, which means automation with a human touch. At Toyota, quality isn't an afterthought. It's built into every step of the process. If a defect occurs, they stop the entire process to fix it, rather than trying to spot the problem later. They take the time to understand why the mistake happened and how to prevent it from happening again. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It takes only a few minutes to do it right, but neglecting it can lead to cavities and gum disease. The same goes for your work. Fixing problems later is expensive and time-consuming, so it's better to prevent them now. Here's your question. What problem can you solve at the source today? And finally, Principle No. 5. Long-term thinking. Toyota doesn't just chase quarterly profits. They focus on long-term growth and sustainability. They know that short-term gains won't lead to lasting success. So they make decisions that benefit the company in the long run, even if it means sacrificing some immediate profit. This principle is crucial in today's fast-paced world, where quick fixes and instant gratification are glorified. You need to focus on the long term, whether it's saving for retirement, building healthy habits, or pursuing a long-term goal like buying a house. The secret is to resist instant gratification and stay focused on your long-term vision. Now here is some trivia. Did you know that Toyota's production system is taught in more than 20 languages and in over 50 countries? Even business schools like MIT and Harvard require professors to study Toyota's system. You won't believe this. Toyota tracks everything meticulously. They monitor how long it takes to complete tasks, the number of defects, and even how much paper each department uses. That's how they maintain efficiency. And here's the bottom line. The magic isn't in some secret shortcut. It's in the discipline, the structure, and the mindset behind the Toyota way. Now here's your challenge. Pick one Toyota way principle and apply it today. Comment below which one you choose. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. See you next time.